Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVsales.com. So today we're going to show our customer base and our customers locally as well as nationwide how to change your headlight bulb on the very popular TaoTao Motors ATM 50A1 scooter. Now we chose this scooter because it's one of the most popular 49cc scooters in the market, and we do get a lot of calls from our customers locally as well as out of state how to change their front headlight bulb and what bulb to choose as well. The upgrade bulb that we recommend, which is called the Narva bulb. Adam has it here in his hand. It's the Narva bulb, and what is it? It's a 12 volt standard 3535 as shown. So Adam, our lead tech here, is going to show you guys the step-by-step on how to change the light bulb on your ATM 50 Chinese scooter and the proper tools to use. So what do we got tool-wise here?
I've got an 8mm, and then you have to use a Phillips head. And then, so the 8mm goes right here, which we've already went ahead and loosened it up. I just gotta get it out. It's just so small.
Okay, so let's see, what are you loosening up over here? All right, so you have the little nut here. All right, so we loosened this here, and then what's next?
Then unscrew the two screws in the back, which they're already ready to come out. I just gotta take them out.
Okay, so you loosen those here. All right.
And then you gently pry with the small flathead, not this one. Go across here like this to make sure you don't break any tabs.
All right, so you got tabs located that secured this front panel onto the main cluster, correct?
Yes.
All right.
And then just gently pull it off. You might have one right here. Just pull like that. There's your headlight socket. Twist, pull out. Find a place to put your headlight panel so it doesn't fall. And then don't touch anything with bare hands, just with a glove or a clean towel.
Okay, so either touch the light bulb, never touch it with the skin of your hands. You want to either put a glove on or a clean towel, correct?
Yes.
All right, because touching it leaves residue on it from your hands, sweat, and it shortens the life of that bulb.
And then you grab your new bulb, touch it with the glove, get it lined up, and twist.
Okay.
And then grab the headlight panel, push it in there. Just make sure you get everything lined up just nice and tight there, and then twist. Headlights installed. Put this boot back on. Sometimes they're a little harder.
All right, and then you have to gently secure the tabs back on to the main cluster base, correct?
Yes. And make sure there's no wires or anything else in the way, which I'm doing now.
So you guys, this is what it looks like when you do remove that headlight fixture face. Now he's going to secure that and place the tabs back in its proper position. He snaps the tabs in its proper location over here.
And then you put the bolts and the screws all back together, and it's ready to go.
All right, so you're going to place this bolt right back to secure the lower mount, correct?
Yes, after I put these screws back in.
All right.
So basically, just screw them in like so. Just make sure you're not pinching any wires. If you're pinching any wires or your throttle cable, make sure you clear them out of the way. And there's a second screw. Now I gotta find that one bolt. It popped out.
All right, so that's all to it then, correct?
Yes, and then there's that bolt.
All right, and that's pretty much all you guys do. You're welcome to bring it in here. We'll be happy to do the installation for you. But again, in most cases, you guys can do this. You know the tools to use. Very basic tools. Just be real gentle on removing the front headlight fixture panel over here, and you guys will be good to go. So hopefully this helps you guys out, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.